Two-way radios are efficient and professional communication solutions, perfect for keeping schools connected. It's a priority for not only the staff to have instant communication at their fingertips, but also for the parents of the children attending these institutions. For school security teams, the process of choosing a radio can be complicated as far as how to decide which two-way radio is the best option for their campus. One model, which has been proven as a successful universal solution for schools, is the XTR300U two-way radio. With digital analog technology, this handheld can work in both analog as well as in digital mode. So, if your system needs some upgrading and you're still working in analog mode, allow these XTR300s to continue to do so until you have phased out all of the old radios. Once you've replaced all of these with the new XTR300Us, you can immediately switch over to your fully digital system. With 5 watts of power, an IP56 rating, and a rugged design, this model is perfect for school security teams, which require consistent coverage and connection during potential emergency situations. Also, the add-on belt clip accessory which comes in the packaging allows for more hands-free communication in order to preserve these handhelds. Other popular accessories for these two-way radio systems include two-wire surveillance kit earpieces, speaker microphones, listen-only earpieces, as well as multi-unit chargers. These extras not only make communication quicker and easier, but they also preserve the life of your two-way radio system. Keep your school connected and secure with the XTR300U two-way radio. For more information on the XTR300U handheld for your school security, give us a call at 888-742-5893 or check us out online at twowaydirect.com.